Hi guys, it's Sarah with Just a Canter Gal, and I'm here to do a review on the Classic Brand's adjustable bed base. This bed base has been one of my favorite things to review lately, besides the mattresses that I've been receiving to do reviews on. But I have to tell you a little bit about it. Right now, I am at an angle that is my favorite position in the bed. This bed comes with a wireless remote. That means that you can put it to whatever position you want. If you want to lay flat on your back, you can set the position to flat. So this is a pre-programmed program on here, a position program, and it has other ones on here as well. I'm laying so far up because I've got a pillow behind my back, so excuse me guys. But I'm laying at the flat position right now, and as you can see, it did not take very long for me to get in the flat position. This is one of the fastest adjustable bed bases that I've tried with the motor. I guess it's something to do with the motor. It's causing it to be a lot faster. I don't know. I've tried a lot in the stores, and I have a lot of people around me that know a lot about bed bases and stuff, and this right here is one of the fastest I've tried, and it has been one of the #1 bed bases on Amazon. So I'm going to move myself up a little bit. I'm going to try to move my head up. You can see how fast it takes for me to move my head up. And this particular bed has two USB ports on the right side. Now I can't show you that, of course, because right now the bed is facing toward the wall, but I will try to include a picture to show you in this, and I will have a full in-depth review on my blog to where you can see it fully. But you can use it to charge your smartphone, your tablet, and it does work perfectly. So, I mean, you know, no issues with that. That works great. Now, with the pre-programmed positions that's on here, there is a TV PC that you choose to use. And when you set it the TV angle, the TV or PC angle, this would be you setting up. And it's kind of moving your legs up a little bit more. And it's actually a really comfortable position. It's really comfortable on my back. And, you know, you could kind of set it this, you know, whenever you want to use your computer. This right here would be this would be the position that I use to play on my computer. Now, you can also use the lounge position. That's one of the other pre-programmed positions available on here on the remote. And this is the lounge position. And this would be something I would use, you know, if I just want to sit and watch TV. You know, this is, you know, basically lounging around. And then there is the 0G button. And the 0G right now is taking me completely backwards while elevating the bottom of the bed. I'm sorry guys, tongue-tied and chemo brain tonight. But for some reason it's taking me backwards. I'm not for sure if maybe I had set that wrong, but usually 0G usually takes the head and the back of the bed and the bottom of the bed completely up. So I must have accidentally set it to a different setting. That's another thing I'm going to talk about. Say you don't like any of these programmable settings, you can pretty much set this wherever you want to your favorite setting. So I'm putting mine right down right now. I'm going to put my bed up, the back of my bed up a little bit, and the bottom part is up just a tad bit. I'm going to hold down that 0G button for 3 seconds. And right now it's set. So that'll be my programmable setting, and that is the setting that I will like with this bed. Now, I'm going to tell you that this bed has 6 legs. Other bed bases, or adjustable bed bases, usually have 4 legs, but this comes with 6 legs. And it's easy to assemble. It took me and my husband about 30 minutes to assemble this thing. And the instructions that come with it is like self-explanatory. It's plug it in. It's color-coded. Everything's color-coded. You can plug it in easy. It's just that simple. The only hard thing about it is that this thing is a little bit heavy. And when I say a little bit heavy, I mean a lot heavy. So whenever we had to lift it, it was quite a little bit to lift. And when you receive the package, it is quite a heavy package. It's about 147 pounds, I believe. I'll have to, don't quote me on that. That will be in the blog review, how much it actually weighed whenever I got, or, you know, whenever I received it in the mail. Now, this right here is incredible with relieving back pain. I have a lot of back pain, and another feature this remote has on it is the massager. Now, you can choose to massage the head, and as you can hear, the motor is actually really, really quiet. The other ones I've tried, have been pretty loud, and this is actually, you know, doesn't wake my husband up in the middle of the night if I hit the button. Actually, he sleeps better whenever I hit the button during hit the massage button during the night. But I just prefer, instead of doing the head button, and you can also choose to massage your feet at the same time, your feet. If you'd rather have your feet massaged, you can do that. If you'd rather do your head, you can do your head. And then if you want to massage your full body, you will hit the massage button. The little wavy, there's a little wavy button on here, and that will massage your whole entire body. And as you can hear, it's very, very quiet. And this right here is one of my favorite settings. And I believe, yeah, this has 3 massage settings on it. So whenever if you want your massage to be a little bit lighter, it can. If not, you can jack that thing up and make it as hard as you want to, because mine's right now, it's vibrating pretty good right now, and it makes my back feel amazing. Now, what are some of the benefits of having an adjustable bed base? You know, why would you may be saying, why would I want an adjustable bed base? Well, adjustable bed base, I can tell you that it relieves pressure, and it's great for those who suffer with sleep apnea, heartburn, acid reflux, or GERD. And sleep apnea is really, really dangerous. It's great that this can actually help with that, because I've known people in my life that's actually passed away with sleep apnea, and it's a terrible thing to have. My husband's actually got a touch of sleep apnea, and I'm so glad that I've got this bed so that I don't have to worry so much about him, and I'll stay awake mostly all night watching him some nights. But here lately, with the mattresses I've been trying, I've been sleeping like a baby. So he's been sleeping good, I've been sleeping good, and it's not just because of the mattresses, it's because of the bed base too. You know, you gotta invest in your sleep, and this bed base has been really, really good for us. And you know, it also helps with snoring. I don't know about you, but you may have a spouse that snores. I know I do, and he's behind the camera right now, and he snores pretty loud at night times, but it doesn't bother me because I'm used to snoring. But a lot of people, it can bother. And say your husband or your wife is snoring, and you're laying down like this. If they're snoring, you can just raise it on up just a tad bit while they're asleep, and the snoring will subside. Or you can set it at your personal setting, and you know, you won't have to worry about it. But if they are, you can turn it up, and you know, that you don't have to worry about snoring now. This bed base has been really good in my opinion. I mean, wait for the blog review, because I will have a lot more information on there about about many different other things, about technical things, and I'll tell you all about it on the blog. But this right here is just a general overview of the adjustable bed base. I wanted to put it up, and I'll try to insert some pictures in here if I can. I'm not technically savvy with video editing, but I will try. So I hope you guys have a good night or a good day, whatever time of day you're watching this, and I'll talk to you guys later. Bye.